smell rating challenge, curly hair edition. We are putting my nose to the test. I'm smell testing 5 Garnier products, and let's just say this is my all-time favorite. Nothing beats this banana hair food. This has been a staple of mine for years, and say less. I like the color yellow, as you can see, but Garnier hit the jackpot with this one. I would send this straight to Harvard. It's rich, it's creamy, it's giving banana bread, fresh out the oven kind of smell. Warning, it may cause a sudden urge for you to bake. Pineapple hair food and Amla. This smells so good. It's like a smoothie, very light. Happiness had a baby, you know? It's literally giving, I should be sipping this next to a pool. Not gonna lie, my curls don't deserve this level of luxury. Okay, this one is interesting. It's giving fresh. It's very light. So I presume the moisture is gonna knock it out the park. It's giving, you know when you just walk out of a spa day and someone's like, oh, your energy is calm. Those calming smells, not strong, not fruity, no fragrance, just peace and ready to spread love. And it is a thick texture. I love lotion, and Garnier have their own vitamin C. Smells all right. It's not a strong scent or anything. Up to 100-hour hydration. Yeah, for dull, dry skin and fast absorption. Well, Garnier, I am excited to try this one. It's citrusy without being cleaning product lemony. Do you know what I mean? It's a nice smell. Like you open the window on a nice summer's day and it smells good. Is it sunshine in a bottle? Yes. This one has hardly got a smell. It's basically odorless, which honestly is a blessing for my face. My face does not want any fragrance on it. Only my lips. All in one. Cleanses and soothes and removes makeup. So you can remove your makeup with this and it will cleanse your face. You don't have to be doing 2 different routines. Okay, Garnier. And it's fragrance free. I actually like these because my face is actually very sensitive. So I go for things that have no scent on my face, especially. Like even makeup, we have issues. But Garnier, okay, They got these cute clips from their green room. Okay, once my hair's dry, we'll try these, and you can pin them up so you get more volume on. How nice. Okay. Here are my final smell rankings from the Garnier Nose Olympics. Drum roll. Pineapple and Amla. Banana and shea butter. Vitamin C body cream. Method moisture for curly hair mask. And of course, the cleanser. Guys, Garnier doesn't make rubbish. Okay, I know I've got hardly a voice, but my nose survived it. Even though I've got this cold, COVID, whatever it is, I could smell these products. If you want me to do a smell test on any other brands, drop it in the comments because clearly I like living on the edge. Yes, Garnier, you know how to get these smells just right. Thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? And why not hit the bell button so you're notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching Curls by Sharlene, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.